Hi everyone, good morning. Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I've been using for a really long time. It's called St Ives. I usually use their apricot scrub, which is like really popular, but I wanted to try something different, and this is very similar. Like, it's an exfoliant, but this is coconut and coffee, so it has a different scent and it looks a little bit different as well. I do use their lotions and stuff like that. They've never disappointed me. I've been really happy with them. The apricot scrub, my mom actually used to purchase all the time when I was a kid, and I used to take it from her because they have, sometimes you just need to exfoliate your face, and I also get these bumps. They're called keratosis pilaris on the back of my arms, and they need to be exfoliated. So I would use this on the back of my arms, and this actually just has a really nice smell to it. The coconut and coffee scrub, the apricot scrub is probably the most popular, but this one has obviously it smells like coconut and coffee. Smells really, really nice. So just a little bit about St. Ives. Our philosophy, St. Ives, is dedicated to bringing you the best of nature with formulas that delight the senses as they leave your skin with a soft, fresh feel. And this is wet because I literally just used it in the shower. It's formulated without parabens, it's dermatologist tested, and it's non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. You can learn more about our body washes and lotions at their website. Exfoliation factor is deep. It's from gentle, moderate, and deep. So I know that they do have products like their apricot scrub. They have one that has I think it's benzoyl peroxide, which is helps with blemishes and acne and stuff like that. And then I think they have gentle ones and ones that are for deeper exfoliation. I definitely need a deep exfoliation. That's why I picked this up. The ingredients listed here, so you can see everything. Directions: moisten face with water. Dispense product onto fingertips and massage over face. Rinse with water. For best results, use 3 to 4 times a week. I use this 3 to 4 times a week on my face, but I also use it anywhere that I'm getting ingrown hairs, because if you exfoliate in areas that you have ingrown hairs or that you're prone to them, exfoliating definitely helps prevent ingrown hairs. So I'll use it in my bikini area, and then just wherever else. Usually my bikini area is just prone to ingrown hairs, which is normal with females. I use it on my keratosis pilaris bumps on the back of my arms and on my face and neck. And I just kind of massage it in slowly. I don't go too rough with it. If you go too rough, you can really irritate your skin and make it red and stuff. So just try to be gentle, as gentle as you can. Rise and Energize Coconut and Coffee Scrub is from America's #1 scrub brand, which is St. Ives. Rise and Energize with 100% natural exfoliants, deeply exfoliates to wake up skin, and that smell will wake you up too, for an instantly radiant glow. And is, I guess, the most common size, 6 ounce. You could buy this online, you could buy it in stores, stuff like that. I love that it's sulfate free and paraben free, especially for those that are trying to go all natural now. It's made with 100% natural exfoliants. Wakes up skin for an instantly radiant glow. So I'm just going to open it up. I have the cap here so you guys could see what it looks like. I'll squeeze a little bit out so you guys could see the texture. It's very soft. Those little beads in it, those are great for exfoliation, and they don't feel harsh at all. It just feels nice, and it's nice because after you get done using it and rinse it off, your skin feels really smooth and very fresh, and overall just really nice. So that's the consistency of it. It's a light brown. When you rub it, it becomes a little bit lighter. You can see the beads in it. Feels like sand almost, but in a pleasant way, because it also feels like your skin's getting moisturized at the same time. Like I said, the scent is really pleasant. It smells like the beach with a cup of coffee. It smells like if you put a cup of coffee at the beach, which is pleasant. It smells really nice. So I'm just gonna rinse it off. Skin feels softer already. So I'm pretty sure they have all different sizes that you could get. This is just the one that I picked up. But yeah, I really love St. Ives products overall, and really happy with this one. So definitely try these out. Try out their apricot scrub and their coconut and coffee scrub. I really think you'll love it. Won't be disappointed. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching.